Hey guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be trying out the Urban Decay Wired Pressed Pigment Palette. So this is the packaging right here. I've been dying to get my hands on this, so I'm so excited to use this today. So real quick guys, I just want to mention I am doing a series on YouTube right now, so I'll be posting every single day and it'll be featuring an Urban Decay product. So I'm going to be showing you guys all of the Moondust products and also all of the Wired products. So today, like I showed you guys, we're going to be jumping into the Wired eyeshadow palette. So yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. We're going to be going over the Wired double-ended eyeshadow and top coat. And here is the actual palette. Check this out. I love how they have the raised letters here. So cool. So I'm going to start out by using the color Glitch right here. So I'm going to be using this as kind of like a primer. Make sure I have a clean slate to work with. I can tell already that this eyeshadow palette's going to be super pigmented. And they're also just really buttery. Like this white is just, oof, just like gliding on. Okay, so I think I'm going to do a rainbow eyeshadow look. That way I can use as many of these colors as possible to be able to show you guys how they're all looking on your actual eye. All right, I'm just taking that purple shade in the palette, Gravity. Go on the outer ends here, outer corner. This eyeshadow is so pigmented, it's crazy. Look at that. And this is such a beautiful shade. I'm also not noticing any fallout. Oh, I love this already. Then I'm going in with Chaos, which is that cobalt blue shade. And I'm gonna layer a little bit over top of that purple, just to blend them in a little bit. Make it look like more of a seamless transition. Oh my god, I just love this palette. I just love really colorful eyeshadow palettes in general. I feel like it just like forces you to be creative and just have fun with it. And isn't that the point of life anyway? Everything's so serious. Now I'm going in with Fluorescent, which is that light baby blue. So this is definitely a lighter pigmented shade, but also it's just a lighter color in general, so maybe that's why. Still like it though. Next we're going into that green shade, which is Jolt. That's like the lightest, like limey kind of green. This is another one that's more of like a buildable shade, but it's also a lighter color, so I can picture just using this color as like a full smoky eye, like one color smoky eye for the summer. Then I'm going in with the color Switch, which is the lighter orange. So that one had a little bit of fallout, but also I'm not using a packing brush for these, so I wonder if that's why. I'm using more of like a detail brush because I want to get in there since there are so many colors to use, but let's see if this just wipes off easy. Oh, perfect. I don't mind fallout in an eyeshadow palette as long as it wipes away really easily, and that definitely did. It's the worst when it ruins your makeup and you go to wipe it off and it just like gives that like streak. Oh my god. And then I'm going in with Slow Burn, which is, it's like a darker orange, almost hinting on like a light red. Just gonna do that on the inner corner here. All right, again, a little bit of fallout from that guy. Wiped away super easy. Now I'm just going back in with those same shades just to go in my crease here to give it more of a completed look. And then I'm just taking a clean brush and I'm just gonna swipe it just to blend these colors together in the crease here, just to diffuse it a little bit. Then I'm gonna go in with that color Savage, which is that hot pink. I'm just gonna I'm gonna continue into the inner corner, but on the bottom. So this one has a little bit of fallout under here. Let's see if this wipes away really easily. All right, perfect. This turned into like a runway smoky eye really quickly. I got a little carried away and wanted to see like if it would look good with it blown out. I do kind of like that though. It's definitely different from me. If you guys have been following my channel, you know that I don't really experiment that heavily with color. I have been lately, and I've been loving it, but it's a little out of my comfort zone. Then I'm gonna go in with that lighter purple, which is Shock. Definitely a beautiful pastel purple. So I will show you guys the pan just in case you care to see that. So it is very dusty. So these eyeshadows are very soft. which isn't a big deal at all. You just need to be a little bit more careful with it. Okay, so the only color that we haven't tried yet is Current, which is the, I guess, metallic green. I love this color. And this one isn't dusty like the others since it is a different formula. But there is a little bit of fallout from it, but that's okay. After I'm finished, let's see if it wipes away. I don't know if you guys are going to be like, what is this eye look? Or if it looks cool. It's definitely different, but once you put on like eyeliner and lashes, I'm telling you guys, you can make like any combination work. Perfect, dusted away really nicely. I'm trying to decide whether I should put another color in the crease in this part here. I'm trying to decide whether to continue the purple or whether to continue like the pink. All right, I think I'm gonna go in with the purple and continue that. I think it looks really cool. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, if this is like crazy or, I don't know, it's kind of like clown chic, you know? But I'm gonna do the other eye off camera real quick and I'll be back. All right, guys, so this is eyeshadow look finished, both eyes. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'm really liking it. It's definitely different, but I don't know. I think that's what makes it fun, makes it unique. But stay tuned for my next video, guys, if you want to see the whole look come together. I'm going to be reviewing the Wired double-ended eyeliner and top coat. These are really cool, by the way, so I can't wait to try them. So that video will be up tomorrow on the Wired eyeliners. If you guys are watching this at a later date, I'll include the link in the description down below if the video is already posted. But yeah, give this video a like if you liked it. That really helps me out. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.